Alright, here we go. So, I found a waifu tier list. Alright? And now, some people, I'm sure someone's gonna be absolutely pissed off at my rating of their favorite waifu. But just remember that none of these characters exist and it doesn't matter. Alright, let's get right into it. This bitch, I actually don't remember. I mean, I recognize the face, but I don't remember what she's from. This is the chick from Kameka Kill Zero? I'm gonna say I don't. I mean, I think I know who that is, but I don't remember anything from her. Oh, what's her face from Overlord? Yeah, she's up there because she's really cool. She's really funny too. I gotta finish watching Overlord because I like that show a lot. I think I was watching it on Netflix and then they fucking took it off. This chick from Food Wars, she's pretty good from what I remember. Food Wars is also one that I haven't 100% finished. I'm gonna skip over some of these characters because some of these characters I like don't even have any interest in reading. So a good number of these I know though, so this will be fine. Don't recognize her. That looks like a child. I don't recognize this person. What's her face from Fate? I don't know enough about her. I'm gonna say I don't know, but she seems like she's alright. Is she from One Piece? I haven't seen much of One Piece. She's fine. She's fine. I remember her being pretty alright. From Attack on Titan. I mean, maybe she's better in the new seasons, but I've only seen the first season of Attack on Titan. That's just because, like, I forgot to, like, actually fucking watch shit. I forgot what this chick did in Prison School. It's Prison School, right? I'm pretty sure that's Prison School. Prison School is one of my favorites, but I can't remember what this chick did. I'm gonna put her in I don't know for now. I think I'm gonna look it up later. Aqua's, I think she's gonna be pretty high just because she's like funny, not because I think she's that great of a person. She's like, you know, she's that friend that you have that you keep around because they keep making a fool of themselves. Oh, fucking Asuka. I need like a worse tier than E. Like, hold on, can I add another? Hold on. Oh shit, did I fuck it up? Oh, this isn't what I need. Okay, it didn't ruin everything. Cause I wanna Edward below. Here we go. Oh fuck. Hold on. This is important. I have to get this. I have to say this now, alright? This is the... That's the trash tier. Alright? Asuka goes there. I don't care how much freaking trauma she has, she's trash. No one should ever like her. Let's see. Oh, C2 is alright. I mean, she's not the most emotionally, you know, at all. It's just not very emotional at all. Doesn't have many emotions, but she's alright. I don't know if I would put her in A, but she's like, you know, I would be good friends with her. Cat head bitch from Is alright. She's good too. I remember when I first watched this show, I liked her a lot, and now she's just kind of like, Let's see what else we got. Oh, yeah, Android 18. She's up there. She's up there, my man. Oh, what's her face from Death Parade? Why don't people talk about Death Parade anymore? I remember that being like really good. I don't know if she's like waifu to me, but I like her character a lot, so I guess I'll put her at A. What else we got? There's a whole fucking lot of them. Like, look at the oh my god. Oh my god. This is a whole lot. Oh, this chick from One Punch Man. She didn't have a huge role, but she's, yeah, I like her a lot. What else we got? Oh, this chick from Food Wars, she's cool. She's from Food Wars, right? I think she is. I'm gonna put that there. I'm pretty sure. Hold on. It'd be nice if they at least put the name there, so I can like remember the name, maybe, but whatever. If it is this character that I'm thinking of that's from Food Wars, then I like that character. I don't remember anything about this chick from Attack on Titan. Was she the scientist? Oh god, I need to rewatch that fucking series. Oh my god, I can't remember anything from it. What else we got? Oh, Azdeath. No, not there. She's there, up there. All right, she's up. I mean, it's concerning that she kills so many people, but she is S+, for real. What else we got? This chick. As I was watching, this show pretty recently, and I remember her being really stupid. I mean, she's nice, but she's really stupid. So I'm gonna give her a B. If she was smarter, then she would probably be like S, honestly, because she's pretty nice. Who else we got? Jesus fuck. Oh, her from I got killed. Yeah, she's she's like in between. I would give her an S. Yeah, that is the chick from a comic. Oh god. I also haven't seen a comic get kill in a long ass time, but hold on. Because I want to make sure this is the character I'm thinking. I'm pretty sure it's the... Oh, Yeah, she's the one I'm thinking of. Alright, yeah, definitely. Put her there. Oh, this chick... You know, I don't... Actually, like... I haven't watched, or I haven't watched much of, My Hero Academia, so... But I also, like, aside from that, I've never had any interest in her. I mean, I like her, like, teeth character design thingy, but her, like, oh, psycho girl, I know people like that a lot, but I really don't think it's interesting at all. I'm putting her at D. What else we got here? This is like a lot, Jesus. I'm definitely not finishing this entire thing. Alright, Megamine, she's pretty cool. I think she's another character that I think she's like funny more than anything else. She's a funny little character, you know? God damn, there are a lot of characters. Ooh, Satsuki. Oh. I'm sorry you had to witness that noise, everybody, but you know. Because I was just thinking about the ending of Kill la Kill, and I mean, I remember the ending going on a little bit longer. Like I mean, I like the show in its entirety, but I think like the ending didn't need to be as many episodes as it did. I see what they did there, but like I don't think it needed to be all that. And then I mean, I liked Satsuki from the beginning, and then near the ending, it was like I really like her now. What else we got? Ooh. Alright, realistically speaking, because this chick is super mean. Well, alright, if I was speaking realistically, like if I was actually to go on a date with her, she would be pretty close down here, because I don't like being yelled obscenities at, honestly. But as a standalone fictional character, she's like all the way up here. God, there's so fucking many. Oh, and this chick from Death Parade, she was cool. I think a lot of the Death Parade characters are going to be just because I like that show so much. And all of the characters are really good in that, or I think they're good. This is definitely showing that there isn't a lot of anime in the genre that I like. Like, this is a lot of... I know. Alright, maybe I might just judge some of them by look. I mean, that's not how you should, you know, treat women. But I'm gonna judge some of them by look, because I don't know all of... Of course I don't know all of these characters. This is not... Most of these are not in the type of anime that I watch at all. I mean, I was talking to one of my coworkers, and he would watch a lot of like rom-com, and I forgot what the term was for like anime that's like RPG gaming sort of shonen. There's this, was it Isekai? I think that's the genre of it. He watches a lot of that type, and I watch like 2 shows that are like that, and everything else I watch are like, I mean, Ghost in the Shell is like one of my favorites. Gundam. Why am I blanking on a lot of these things? Gundam Thunderbolt is my favorite Gundam anime. I mean, if you're criticizing it for like the robot designs, I think the robot designs are a little boring in that, but it's honestly just story and characters for that I like it so much, because you know, it puts in the perspective like there are no bad guys. There's just people. It's just people dealing with an awful situation, and I like that a lot. Is this the chick from Gantz? I'm like going through Gantz right now, so I'm not gonna rate her yet. I think that's from Gantz, I don't know. Oh, what's her face from... Fucking Full Metal Alchemist. She's cool. I like her. Oh, and what's her face from... I should try to remember some of these people's names. I did remember her name for a while. She can be up there. She's nice. I'm gonna put her here because she's also not the brightest. I think a lot of the characters in Seven Deadly Sins are kind of like not the brightest of people. Oh, is this the chick from Golden Boy with the motorcycle? Oh yeah, she's a little weird, but she gets a pretty good rating. What else we got? There's so fucking many. Oh, this chick from Code Geass. She's up and down for me, because there's sometimes she does stuff in that show that I like a lot, and then sometimes she's just like, all right, she's right. There are a couple that I recognize at the bottom that I like a lot, I think. Oh, Faye. Cowboy Bebop. She's... Realistically, she's kind of awful of a person. She's kind of an awful person, honestly. Oh, this chick from, the fuck was the name of the show? I've never been able to pronounce the name of the show. But yeah, she's a little too insane. I like her as a character, but I would not date someone that insane and suicidal. I think I'm gonna do a few more, and then I'm gonna go over to Resident Evil. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna play Resident Evil Village if I didn't mention that. I want to rate her, but I also haven't watched that much Black Lagoon. Actually, I haven't watched Black Lagoon at all. Freaking this chick. She's nice. I know people are absolutely crazy about her, but I mean, I like her. I like Sasuke better, but you know. Oh, I like one. Fucking Death Note is like one of my favorites animes. She's, you know, she's whatever. I like her fit. I like her outfits. It's cool. She kind of just blindly followed this like serial killer. It's like, come on. Come on, you gotta do better than that. Oh, there are a bunch of these blank things here. I don't know if that's just like the picture was removed or something. Don't know what the deal is of that. We got... Now I'm just seeing the characters from shows that I need to watch. I don't know what this chick is from. She seems cool. This, who is this? Because I recognize this character, but I can't remember what show they're from. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's get like two more. Alright, the chick from Me, she's cool. She's I mean, I think I think they whoever made this list probably wasn't expecting me to, you know, critique their personality that much, because she's just like, you know, she's a dancing lady in a animated stream thing. So I mean, I like her design, she's cool. Let's see if there are any other like trash tier ones. I'm not seeing many that I recognize as trash. Oh, I like Loluka. And Misato's pretty cool too, you know? Except she needs to, you know, not hit on 14-year-olds. Like, maybe chill out with that, please. Is this the other chick from Golden Boy? The, software? Hold on. Oh yeah, I think it is. What's her name? Madam President. That's her name? Madam President? Also referred to as Her Majesty. Alright. No, I like her. She's cool. I like her a lot. Let's get like one more. I just saw one that I wanted to rate. I'm gonna rate Ray. Like, come on. She's not all there. Let's get, alright, one more. Oh, yes, what's her face? I can't remember any of their names, I'm sorry. But, a lot of the characters from Akame ga Kill are gonna be pretty high on my list, just because I like a lot of them. And, just get one more. I mean, I'm seeing some that I know that I can rate, but it's like, I don't know, I don't have a lot to say about said characters. Oh, this chick. Was it Mia? From Monster fucking the anime. Monster Girl fucking the anime. She's nice, but I really don't have any interest in her. She's pretty, like, you know, she's whatever. It's like, you know, I guess. Let me get, all right. I didn't want this to be the whole stream, but I'm on a bit of a roll here. Let's get like, all right, now I'm saying it, two more, that's it, and then we're gonna actually play a fucking game. just two more characters. She's another one that I recognize, but I can't remember what she's from or what she did. I'm gonna skip over her. Oh. Yeah. Why'd I forget her name? she's a nice, again, she's another nice character that I don't have any issues with, but I wouldn't, like, you know, I would be acquainted with them. I wouldn't do anything more than that. And let's get one more. Is that, fucking... God. Alright, I like this chick. I haven't watched very much Naruto at all, but, I'm gonna rate her based off of all the fan art that she has, so it's gonna be up here for those reasons. I don't know if those were the best reasons to rate her on, but you know, this is what we can do. Alright, alright, so how about we switch over to Resident Evil. Here you can see my list. You can get appropriately mad if you want to. You will never be able to convince me that these are likable people. Especially not Asuka, because, like, come on, fuck her. Rei, I mean, she just doesn't know no better. But, like... And she's, you know what she is. But, you know, she's not exactly... If I wanted to date Cardboard, then I would date Cardboard, not Rei. I don't know if that was the best comparison, but in my eyes it was. Alright. I feel like I should, I think I'm gonna see if I can save this and then get back to it at another time, because I kind of want to do more with that. But for now... Let us go to... Oh, I put the capture over the overlays again. Oh, damn it. I was gonna set that up... Oh, fuck. I was gonna set that up... like, before I streamed. And then I forgot. Alright, there you go. No. Alright, so if you will give me 1 second here. Gotta do a little computer magic right now. Hopefully we don't have any capture issues. I do wanna continue playing Nier Automata, but I need to figure out what's wrong with the capture on that, because I watched the stream back and it was awful. Thank you, Resident Evil Village, for opening on my wrong monitor. Really appreciate that. Thank you. And now I appreciate that you're not making it full screen at all. I'm hoping I don't have to do bullshit.